following you? Morning people. Today is day 3 at Club Mahindra Mashobra and we have decided to dedicate this entire day to the resort activities. So the first activity that we have planned for today is cycling. So here we are at the cycle stand of the resort and the cycles are getting ready for the ride. So we're gearing up with the helmets now. ये है राजेंद्र जी, he is our guide for today, so we'll be following him.
ये 2 पे ठीक है सर,
अच्छा,
ज़्यादा पेडल टाइट हो रहा है तब आपको 1 पे रखना है, अदरवाइज 3 पे ठीक है।
लास्ट बचपन में चलाई थी गियर वाली बाइक, उसके बाद अभी चलाई नहीं उसके बाद।
बहुत चला लोगे सर इसलिए।
Tired? Well, flat road from here.
Hello.
Look at that pine forest, how
I
dense
know.
it is. Looking so amazing.
They're just looking like a painting. हाँ, क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं. Photo bomb कर रहे हो.
It's okay. They can never do a photo bomb.
गिरना मत में नीचे।
नहीं करूँगी भैया, don't worry. I wanted to record this dog following us. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chal. Come on. Yay! Come. फटाफट. Yes, come on. He's behind you, huh? Be very careful. Oi. सही में.
They're not following you anymore.
They'll follow. They're camera conscious. Oh, they are following you, not me. Chalo. Yes, come on. Me and my
So
dog
many bodyguards.
squad.
Body
Yes.
dogs.
Body dogs. और फाइनली मुंबई की रोड्स यहाँ पे भी हैं. थक नहीं रहे हो तुम दोनों?
ये मशोबरा तक आएंगे आप वापस।
अच्छा.
गाइड बन के आ रहे हैं आपके साथ।
मेरे बॉडीगार्ड.
Yeah, body dogs and guide dogs. Dogs can't resist Neet. Wherever Neet goes, dogs have to follow her.
Yes.
You know why the dogs are following you?
You must be having something very.
Because you have 2 cats on you.
I hide.
That's why they're following you.
I hide.
They're chasing after the cats.
Very bad. So we have come 6 kilometers
From the resort.
from the resort, and now we are heading back. So another 6 kilometers. Let's go! Yeah. Come on, doggoos! Doggoos, follow me.
चलो.
चलो पहुंच।
kilometers to go. Such a lovely view. Yeah?
Yep.
Guys, we are back at the resort. We finished our bike ride and it was so amazing. It was so scenic. We saw some really beautiful views of the forest and of the valley from up there. It was just absolutely amazing. So if you come to Club Mahindra Mashobra, you should definitely go for this bike ride. It is absolutely worth it. Big kudos to our guide Rajendra, who has been very kind and very patient. बहुत आराम से हम लोग को पूरी जगह घुमाया. हम लोग जितनी बार बीच में रुके to take photographs and all, he did not mind. He waited patiently and he took some really great photos of us too. He's a really good photographer too. So thank you so much. And अब हम आपको शाम को मिलेंगे जब हम रिजॉर्ट के बाकी एक्टिविटीज़ करने आएंगे. ठीक है, चलो, bye bye. So it's 5 in the evening and just as we got ready to go to the resort of the garden.
Yeah, resort of the garden, not garden of the resort.
Yeah, it has started to rain quite heavily and it's become really foggy too.
Yes.
The perfect weather for garam garam chai and garam garam pakode. Neet is scared of that bull.
I am. I'm really scared of this bull.
Steaming hot. ऐसे लग रहा है कि डिनर ही हो गया काइंड ऑफ, यू नो.
नहीं हुआ. हम खाएंगे.
We're always hungry.
Yeah.
Except for right after when we've eaten.
Yes.
Give us an hour and we'll be hungry again.
Okay.
And there she got a 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Game over.
3. As always, I'm the winner.
She's super lucky in Ludo. Never play with us. Never.
Ha ha ha.
So evil.
Ha 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 ha. Let's go for bonfire now.
So the bonfire is all lit up.
Yay. Having this too?
Yeah.
गेम स्टार्ट करते हैं. गेम का नाम है बस. 1 से 6 तक काउंट कर सकते हैं. 7 अप नहीं बोल सकते.
7 is banned. You have to say buzz instead of 7.
4, 5, 6, buzz. 5, 6,
7.
7. एप्पल, ऑरेंज, बनाना. एप्पल, ऑरेंज. जिसको सीड नहीं मिलेगा वो आउट होगा. बनाना.
यहाँ पे कोई भी कोरोना नहीं हुआ है किसी भी तरह का.
And it's worth of 5 lakh rupees.
They are over 200 years old.
अब हमारा मेडिसिन वाला एरिया
Because of all the Ayurvedic herbs.
किसी भी और लोगों को मालूम नहीं है सर इसके बारे में.
Pure natural mineral water.
Used during Mahabharata.
कैसे तैयार हो रही है.
अच्छा ये
तो ये जो सामने जो बिल्डिंग्स है ये
सबसे कॉस्टली प्रॉपर्टी जो मशोबरा है.
अरे मैडम जी आप ऐसे डर रहे जैसे कि वो आपको ही देखेगा कि खा गए.